Former Bayan Muna Party List Representative Attorney Nery Colmenares expressed his opinion on Vice President Sara Duterte's absence in the upcoming State of the Nation address of President Bongbong Marcos. Stephanie Marquez reports.
Bayan Muna Party List Representative Attorney Nery Colmenares states his reaction in press conference yesterday to Vice President Sara Duterte's non-appearance for the upcoming State of the Nation address of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. According to him, this symbolizes a rift between their Uniteam alliance with the Chief of State. He also anticipates a major conflict within the party after the SONA.
Major and one of the first major statements ni Sara Duterte mismo ng break na talaga sa Marcos administration. Para sa akin, that symbolizes a major departure na talaga sa kanilang supposed maraming mensahe yun. Yung isang mensahe doon, para sa akin, hindi siya naniniwala sa i-report ng presidente sa SONA. At may disagreement siya doon sa mga i-claim na achievement ng Marcos administration. And secondly, complete break na yon sa anumang alyansa.
Furthermore, the lawyer criticizes as well the possibility of the Dutertes to display opposition remarks towards nation's address.
Mo sila sa freedom of the press, freedom of expression, na niyuyurakan daw ang kanilang freedom of expression ng panahon nila. President Duterte and the Duterte family is intolerant of dissent, na ang media ihaharas mo. Yun ang problema sa mga Duterte. They attack everybody in using presidential platform at lahat na lang bibirahin nila. Pag may criticism naman sa kanila, nagagalit sila. I don't think may karapatan ang mga Duterte na gumawa ng kontrasona, and in fact, wala silang pinag-iba ng prinsipyo sa current administration.
Meanwhile, VP Sara Duterte only announces yesterday that she will not be present on the third SONA of the President. This is Stephanie Marquez for Euro TV News.